We've got 2021 Illusions Football Hobby. All right, Phil, good luck, and thanks for hopping back in. Been killing the Illusions. Let's see if we can get you this time. Empty. Let's see a shield. That'd be something, huh? All right, starting it off with Trevor Lawrence rookie. There we go. Nice start. Kyler Gaskin. We've got, wow, look at that patch. Cornell Powell rookie. That is out of 50. Nice three-colored patch there. Instant impact. Cornell Powell. It's a filthy patch. And Illusionist Acetate. Mac Jones out of 299. What a first pack. Not surprised, though, because it's Phil. What's up? What's up, everyone? 2-2 rookie, Dalvin Cook. We've got a Kyle Pitts instant impact patch. This one is not numbered. Instant impact. And King of Cards acetate Peyton Manning. What's up, CJ, Neil, Boston, Stevie, Pockets. Got two Cortland Sutton, Jacob Harris rookie. We've got T. Higgins red out of 99. And Illusionist of Ryan Tannehill. Justin Jefferson, T. Higgins. We've got a Kyle Trask rookie. Out of 50, ink blots of Simi Fehoko for the Cowboys. Love the look of these blots. Nice Simi. And clear shots acetate Charles Woodson. Herbert. Oh, there's two cards. Saquon, Jalen Hurts. We have Big Ben bronze out of 499. Is it going to be his last home game tonight? Who knows? Filler and red. Dan Marino, King of Cards. Out of 399. Yeah, he's in a lot of product, Polar Bear, huh? Cam, Tannehill, Deshaun Watson. We have 235. Amari Cooper, Shining Stars Acetate Auto. There you go, Phil. Nice Amari Cooper to 35. Sick hit. Inscribed 19. It's a Cowboys box. And Mystique rookie of Javonte Williams acetate. Mac Jones rookie. Chuba Hubbard. Justin Fields rookie. Got to 399 Antonio Gibson. And Trevor Lawrence Shining Stars acetate. Sean Taylor, Jonathan Taylor, Trace Sermon rookie. We've got First Impressions RPA out of 99, Ian Book. Nice looking patch there. Nice three colors. First Impressions. And that is inscribed number 16. Nice Ian Book. For sure, Nets. Illusions always does a great job on their cards. This is my favorite insert this year, though. King of Cards acetate. That's sick. All right, couple packs left here for you, Phil. Kamara, Davis Mills, Jared Goff. Got rookie for the Panthers. Yellow Diamond out of 249, Chuba Hubbard. Nice. And red, Joe Montana. Nice color match there on the King of Cards. Out of 149. Last pack here for you, Phil. Cornell Powell rookie. Keenan Allen, Anthony Schwartz rookie. We've got bronze to 499, Kadarius Toney. Filler, And Illusionist Acetate rookie, Travis Etienne Jr. All right, that'll do it for you, Phil. Another great box for you. Thanks for hopping back in, and we'll get this right out to you.